If you're seeing an authentication failed error on Yahoo Mail, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest step-by-step checks to get your Yahoo Mail working again, including the most common causes like incorrect login details, internet issues, VPN problems, and browser cache issues. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get into it. First, double check your email address and password. This sounds obvious, but authentication errors are very often caused by a small typing mistake. Go back to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page and carefully retype your email address and password. Make sure caps lock is off, and if you use a password manager, try entering the password manually just to be sure the saved login isn't outdated. If you recently changed your password, be sure you're using the newest one and not an old saved version. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Yahoo Mail from verifying your account properly. Try opening another website to see if it loads normally. If pages are slow or not loading at all, reconnect to your Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data if you're on a phone, or restart your router if needed. Once your connection is stable, try signing in to Yahoo Mail again. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily. Sometimes VPNs trigger security checks or cause Yahoo to block the login attempt because the sign-in appears unusual. Disconnect the VPN completely, refresh the Yahoo Mail page, and try logging in again. If the login works after that, then the VPN was likely the issue. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with Yahoo's login page and cause authentication to fail, even when your details are correct. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear the cache and cookies for Yahoo Mail or for your browser overall. Once that's done, close the browser fully, reopen it, and attempt the login again from a fresh session. If you're still getting the error, try using a different browser or device. For example, if it fails in Chrome, test it in Edge, Firefox, or Safari. If it works on another device, that tells you the issue is probably with the browser on your original device rather than with your Yahoo account itself. You can also try signing in from Yahoo's official website instead of through a third-party mail app. Sometimes authentication fails in email clients because the app password, account permissions, or sync settings are outdated. Logging in directly through Yahoo Mail in a browser can help you confirm whether the account is still accessible. If none of those steps work, wait a little while and try again later. Yahoo sometimes temporarily blocks repeated login attempts for security reasons. A short wait can reset that behavior and allow you to sign in normally. So to recap, the main fixes are: retype your email and password carefully, check your internet connection, turn off any VPN, and clear your browser cache and cookies. Those steps solve the most common Yahoo Mail authentication errors. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.